The Indian economy widely depends on agriculture as it contributes more than 17% to the total GDP. And being a farming centric nation, India always seeks potash, fertilizers, and modern agriculture equipments to yield more. So, have you ever thought of investing in an agriculture sector company? So, let me introduce you to Indian Potash Limited, a well known name engaged in producing and marketing cattle feed and other agricultural products. Indian Potash Limited is a well-known name in the agriculture sector and has a vast customer base across different states in India. Incorporated in 1955, it works with a vision of promoting balanced use of potash. And it is also India's largest potash importer and has warehouses across India. Indian Potash Limited has diversified into cattle feed, dairy, sugar, and rural warehousing. So let's have a look at its products. First is fertilizers. So Indian Potash Limited offers different fertilizers to the farmers with the help of its vast network of dealers. It provides a variety of fertilizers that are used in the crops, and Indian Potash Limited is widely known for potash, which is its unique selling point. Second is cattle feeds. So the company also produces and promotes cattle feeds in the northern and southern parts of the country. Indian Potash Limited has two plants for the production of cattle feed. One is in UP and the other one is in Andhra Pradesh to meet the demand. Third is dairy products. So the company also produces different types of dairy products with the help of its milk plants across many states and union territories. And as per sources, Indian Potash Limited produces 7 lakh liters of milk per day and it supplies its dairy-based products to Mother Dairy. The last one is sugar. So the company is also engaged in sugar supply and has acquired 5 sugar mills from the UP government. Now, coming to its financials, March 2024 revenue was Rs 21,244 crore versus Rs 33,512 crore in the previous year, which is a loss of 36.6%. PAT was Rs 1,257 crore in March 2024 versus Rs 1,874 crore in the previous year, which is again a loss of 32.9%. And the EPS went from Rs 655 in March 2023 to Rs 439 per share in March 2024. With outstanding shares of 2.85 crore, their market cap at the current share price stands at 9,309 crore with a PE of 7.4. Now, talking about its shareholders, these are the top shareholders owning the majority of the shareholding rights. The demand for fertilizer and potash has increased worldwide and is expected to keep increasing. And the growing revenue of Indian Potash Limited speaks about its increasing global sales and exports. And it is also expected that Indian Potash Limited will work on bringing its IPO and allow investors to invest in its shares. So if you want to invest in Indian Potash Limited's unlisted shares, head over to stockify.net.in or drop a comment below.